This 76-acre farm, located minutes from I-79 and Bridgeport in Bridgeport School District, is being offered in 4 parcels. Parcel 1 features 52.32 acres with approximately 1,450 feet of road frontage and represents the heart of the farm. This tract includes a beautiful homestead with a mix of open and wooded ground, along with a 1,956 square foot home offering 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. There's free gas to the house, and the layout also provides flexibility for future development. Parcel 2 consists of a little over 5 acres with about 450 feet of road frontage. This parcel features an open field that would make an excellent building site for someone looking to stay close to Bridgeport while enjoying a little more space. Parcel 3 offers a versatile 4.5 acre tract with approximately 1,500 feet of frontage, and it borders Elk Creek. This parcel consists primarily of level, open ground, and would make a solid agricultural piece while also providing flexibility when combined with other parcels within the farm. Parcel 4 is a versatile property that is over 14 acres with approximately 1,100 feet of road frontage in a high traffic location right at the intersection of 57 and 20. This parcel offers strong visibility and commercial use potential. Whether you're looking for a homestead, a building site, agricultural land, or commercial opportunity, this property offers flexibility in a prime Bridgeport area location. Be sure to check out our website for full details, maps, and bidding information.